Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTTV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Another solid day for the bulls, so let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. First thing, though, I want to do is a little house cleaning, and I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of these green lines down here. Sure, they still pertain, but in the spirit of not wanting lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion and just keeping things as clean as possible, I just want to, we'll start over. Yes, those lines, again, they still do pertain, but they're not really relevant given the movement that happened today. So we'll just go up here and, map out some new levels in the spirit of, like I said, not creating clutter, and then which leads to confusion, which would be the total opposite of what I'm trying to accomplish with these videos. So one of the newest areas of support after today, and this is what I would call the ideal level, is up here at 0022. 0022 was a previous breakout point, meaning previous area of resistance. You can see right there, the bulls tried to fight through and got rejected, tried again and got rejected, but then finally were able to push through right there. So got the breakout there, and then within the world of charts, a very foundational rule is when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what happened here during the final 30 minutes. Sure, the price temporarily dropped down below there, but the price quickly snapped back up. And that's what I would call the ideal level of support, because if the price can continue to hold up above 0022, that would certainly make the chart look very, very powerful. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means is that the end of the world or anything like that, but that would just be that ideal situation. From the big picture perspective, in terms of, hey, Clay, how do I measure just the overall health of the move? How am I defining the move? Well, this right here. So how can you gauge the overall health of that move? That's where we look at, and I talked about this in yesterday's video, but the 50-period simple moving average, which is denoted by the purple line right here. So as time goes by, the key where they're being moving, this line is just going to keep on moving its way upwards and looking something like that. So from a very simplistic point of view, simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full health, full control, however you can best look at that. No questions asked. So, and really that's why, I don't talk about resistance as much, because yeah, resistance is important, but if a price just keeps on doing what this one's been doing in regards to building these higher bases, then the long-term chart will take care of itself, and that includes breaking those areas of resistance. So another very nice day today. We'll see how it closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.